Haiti has been in the limelight for the earthquake, corpses and wounded. Haiti suffers poverty, discrimination, violence, but Haiti is much more than that. As Haiti culture is extremely rich, local resources are the same. Rice farmers have to struggle strongly to survive, while after harvesting a huge amount of straw is burnt in the fields. A resource underused worldwide, it can be used for energetic purposes as well as for construction. Showing local communities how to get profit from their waste is fundamental to foster a diversified farm income and consequently promote their self-sufficiency. Much work is needed to promote and use non-conventional technologies, even because maybe social barriers are stronger than technological barriers. So we try to foster training, formation of local workers and local professionals. This is the focus of our project. Nevertheless, a highly cooperative approach can be a successful first step to the advancement of a social production of habitat, safer, more comfortable, less expensive and more beautiful straw bale homes.
Our challenge was to design a manual baler, easily reproducible with available materials as metal sheets, bolts and square boxes. Basic smith skills are needed and machinery required are only cutting, welding and drilling. It's possible to control the density of the bales, which are produced with a non-stop process. The baler is movable to carry it on field. Everyone can work on the baler. There are different tasks as loading straw, fastening finished bales and compressing with a lever, which is designed to need a minimum effort.